So hello students, in our previous chapter we have studied about the different type of nutrition and what is nutrition in animals and what the stages it contains. Now today in our today's session we will study about the nutrition in amoeba, means how amoeba takes the nutrition. So nutrition in amoeba. So first of all I will tell you that the shape or the structure of amoeba is not fixed. It is a unicellular organism and it can be found in of any shape. So here I am making a diagram of amoeba. Now it is amoeba. Here it is nucleus and some other cell organelles found beside it. So how this organism will take food, digest it, means whatever the all the processes, ingestion, digestion, absorption, how it happens in this single cell organism, we will study about that today. So first of all, here is the structure of amoeba. You can write it simply amoeba. Now in second step, the amoeba having some food particles. Here it is the food particle. This is the food particle that amoeba have to engulf in. And engulf means to take inside the body. So how does this will be taken inside the amoeba? So now here we can write amoeba with food. And the third step, again here it is amoeba. You can see that every time I am making a different shape. That doesn't mean that I can't make it same. But I want to tell you that it can change its shape in any structure. That is not a fixed shape. So it can change it anytime. Now here it is the food. Now you can see that the amoeba has taken two parts as a finger. As your finger it is taking out, and this portion is known as pseudopodia. Pseudopodia. In normal words, we can say the finger-like projection. The finger-like projection in amoeba is called pseudopodia, and this finger-like projection is made in amoeba to take the food particle inside it, and also to remove the waste from its body. So now you can say that the amoeba is engulfing the food. Now it is being surrounded, engulfing the food. Amoeba engulfing food. Okay. In fourth step, the same structure. Wait. At this portion, the pseudopodia has joined outside and the food is engulfed inside. Means the food is completely taken inside the amoeba and the pseudopodia has closely packed each other. Now after that, in the fifth step, one more thing here we can write amoeba with engulfed food. Engulfed food. So I think that up to this portion it is. So we have completed all the four steps. Now this is the fifth step, and in this the food particle is inside the amoeba, and this food particle is going to be digested. So here we can write food digested in amoeba. And as we all know that after the digestion there will be some waste remaining in that. So for the removal of the waste, it again form the pseudopodia, and after the formation of pseudopodia, the waste will be removed outside. So you can write, you can say that the excretion. So in this way, the amoeba has taken the food inside, then after engulfed that, digested that, and after that, whatever the waste is remaining, that is removed outside. So I think you all have understood this topic.